So today we are installing some light parts, reverse floodlights from ORE. So these are the WL105-F light parts reverse floodlights. They come on with the battery and without. There's a toggle switch for when you're reversing or when you're at camp and you need like a floodlight or something like that. So these ones are going to mount right up there, right above the ladder, and then one just on the other side. And I'm just plumbing them in right now, running the wiring. Here's battery box. Battery for the Defender 90 is under the driver's seat. So what I did here is installed that guy, just kind of drilled a hole, bolted it on, and that's part of the wiring harness. And that guy, I drilled one hole right here, kind of in just under the seat, to run the wiring loom through. Worked out pretty good. And then that comes kind of out the back of the seat there. You can see that's part of the wiring harness. So I put it up through behind the seat belt. And the cool thing is that there was a little tiny kind of hole between the rear bulkhead here and the back. So I fished the wiring loom through there. It comes through the other side there, and I fished it all the way behind the seat, and it comes out the other side. So with all that fishing around and kind of making it look clean, the wiring harness is just a little bit too short by the time that guy's on the other side and it comes down. It's going to be just maybe like a foot short, 12 inches or so. And then when I finally take this piece off to run the other side along, I'm just going to have to extend it a bit, but that's okay. I went and got some heat shrink and some extra wire, and we'll fix it all up. The next part will be drilling through the back of the truck. So I made this little cardboard guy, measured to center it from the edge there to the edge and down, found the center, or exactly where I want to put the light. So that's where I will be drilling. And then this guy, we take it to the other side for 1 sec. We just flip this guy around, stick her in there, and we've got the perfect spot, exactly the same as the other side, to drill a hole, and they will be exactly even. So for the switch, I ran this cable under the seat, and then drilled a hole in the bottom of the cubby box. There it is, coming out there. Also installed the ORE molly panel. Got the switch right there. And there they are, all installed. And they are bright AF.